Salut, soyez les bienvenus sur Olive Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on Fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Chapitre 2, les syllabes. This is the continuation, so if you are not yet watching the previous video, you can get the links in the description. Passons à la leçon du jour. Let's move on to today's lesson. But before we continue, please click on subscribe, click on like, the thumb up, and then click on the bell to receive the next videos. T plus voyelles. In this lesson, we are going to form syllables and words using T and vowels. Also, the previous lessons will be seen in this video. So the previous sounds will be used to form words and syllables. So if you have not yet watched those ones, once again, you can go back, look at them as you continue. Le son de T est T. T. The sound of T is T. T. A. Ta. T. Te. I. Ti. T. O. To. T. Ui. Tu. T. E. Te. T. E. Te. E. Te. Nous avons, we have, ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, te. Vous allez remarquer que you realize that for the I, it sounds T, like T, T. And then the ui, tui. So for T and tui, you hear the sound T. But the rest of them, you hear T. Ta, tu, tu, te, te. But T, tu. C'est clair? I hope it's clear. Ok. Maintenant, comme d'habitude, passons à un test. Now, as usual, let's pass to our test. Prononcez la syllabe quand elle apparaît. Pronounce the syllable when it appears. Prêt? Bravo. Now let's continue, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe and like, click on the bell. Apprenons à lire. Let us learn to read. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Le tas, l'été, la tête, tollé, le loto, le talus, la vie, le vote, la tasse, le vélo, le salut, la tuile. Now, we have already seen one of the exceptions, that is le. For this word, E is sounding. Le. That is one of the exceptions, and most of the exceptions are two-letter words. But don't worry, we shall look at all of them one after the other. Apprenez ces mots. Learn these words. E, e. Look at the spelling very well and learn how to pronounce them. Eva et Théo. Théo est têtu. Merci pour aujourd'hui. Rendez-vous à la prochaine fois. Thanks for today. See you next time.